he's still drinking his drink.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Are we gonna?
Are we done training? Are we done? Can I get up? Can I get up now?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. What am I supposed to do? What do I do? Down. Okay. What do I do? Okay. Am I doing it right? Do you push up? Am I doing it? Okay. Am I doing it? Okay. Up. Up. Now what?
Now we're done.
Oh, we're done.
We missed the personal training session.